Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So guys, today I'd like to show you one plugin which is nothing but classic editor. This plugin is mainly used for change your posting style. Here you can see this is my default posting style now. So I'm using WordPress 5.0.2. Here you can see WordPress 5.0.2 running. So when you first install WordPress for your site, you can find this layout for posting, but it seems to me critical. Suppose I want to make a post, so copy title and body, suppose this one my body. Here you can see this is the default posting style. You can find here is the title. Sorry, this is default link, sorry. So here is the title. You can change it from this section, from list. Sorry, you can change it from this right section, but it seems to me critical. Here you can see at the body section is separate in default section, so it seems to me critical. But the classic editor is really nice, I like to show. So for this plugin, go to plugin section, select add and search classic editor. So here you can see this is classic editor. The rating is really good. So install and active. Okay, now I like to make a post. Here you can see it's changed totally my layout, posting layout. I can easily add my post title here and my description here. Again, I like to show this is my body, and this is my title. So I can paste my title here, so I can easily understand what I need to do and easily find the customize option of my body at the top. Here you can see this is my customize section. I can easily bold my text from here. I can italic it. I can change the heading section size, heading size from here. I can make it list from here. I can numbering this my text from here. I can alignment from left, center or right side. I can insert a link from here. So you can also add media such as image, video from here. Add media section. You can just upload your file and you can insert. You can also insert from URL. Insert from URL. Just put your URL here. Suppose I like to paste this image in my post, so I like to save. I can image address, sorry, post. Here you can see images come out, just insert. Here you can see your images come inside your post. It's really good and good enough. for me. I hope you like also. You can centerize, you can align your image also, left side, center or right side, from here or from here. So it's really good. You can also put your publish section from here. You can also change your public section from here. This is now is status is default. This is default post. You can change the public or private section, or you can delete your post, move to trust. And you can also select your category, which category you like you to publish this post. You can also add category from add section, just health. This is one new category, just add new. Here you can see this post is under this post is now under health category. You can also add tag, suppose health, diet. Here you can see two tag is added. Tag is really good for your post. This will help you to grow up your post or SEO your post. You can also change your add your feature image from here. Just insert. I like to add, suppose this one. Okay, you can also edit image from here, so I like to keep it default. Here you can see it's insert. This is my feature image. This is mainly my topic image, main image. So this is really good plugin for me. I hope you also like this plugin, because this is really easy to make any post. And this was default WordPress posting layout. This is really seems to me critical, and this is also really good. I hope you also like this. If you like this plugin, you can install. This is really totally free. And beside this, I hope you also like this video. If so, give me a big thumbs up, and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video on WordPress and others. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.